In this video, we're diving into one of ProPresenter's most flexible and dynamic features, Messages. Messages give you a simple way to display text on top of your slides and media, things like countdowns, announcements, or reminders, without interrupting what's already on screen. They're perfect for those moments when you need to communicate information quickly, clearly, and without switching slides. Messages live in their own space, separate from slides and media layers. That means they'll stay visible even as you advance through your presentation. Here are a few common examples of types of messages you may need to send during an event. If you drive a silver minivan, your lights are on. The service will begin in 5 minutes. Or parents of child 485, please come to the nursery. Messages are an easy way to keep your audience informed while the show keeps rolling. Now, if you're already familiar with props, you might be wondering, what's the difference? In short, messages are text only, while props have most of the functionality of the slide layer. Props are great for pre-built graphics or text that doesn't change much week to week, like a static lower third or logo. Messages, on the other hand, are designed for quick, real-time updates. So if you need to type something new on the fly, like a name or announcement, messages are your best bet. To create a new message, go to the show controls right below your preview window and click the plus sign in the upper right corner of the messages area. To delete one, just select it and press delete on your keyboard. Or you can right-click on a message and select delete. Each message can include plain text along with tokens, which are placeholders for variable information that can change each time you use it. For example, you might build a message that says, parents of child nursery number, please come to the nursery. Nursery number would be the token in that case. When you're running your service, all the operator has to do is enter the number, click show, and ProPresenter will display the finished message on screen. This workflow keeps things clean and consistent, especially for recurring situations. Once your messages and tokens are set up, operators can stay focused on the service instead of retyping text every time. You can also assign themes to messages to control how they look, set up transitions for how they appear and disappear, and even choose whether a message clears automatically after a few seconds or stays up until you hide it yourself. Let's take a look at the types of tokens you can use. Message is a custom token you can assign any value to: name, room number, system clock, and timer, which shows any timer you've created in the timer pane. For clocks and timers, you have full control over how the information appears. You can adjust the time format, choose between 12 and 24-hour clocks, or customize which units display, like hours, minutes, or seconds. Timers can count down from a set duration, count down to a specific time, or count up as an elapsed time, with optional overruns if you want them to keep going past 0 or their elapsed time. One of the coolest features of messages is you can control them over your network from any device. Let's say you want someone backstage in the lobby or at the tech booth to be able to send a message to the operator, or your nursery director needs to alert parents about something with their child. You can do that with web notifications. To set this up, go to Settings, then click the Network tab. Make sure Enable Network is checked. ProPresenter will automatically create a network name and port number for you. You can rename it if you'd like, but it's usually best to leave the port alone unless you have a specific reason to change it. Next, open the Messages pane and toggle Allow Web Notifications. When that's enabled, click the Show Web Access button at the bottom of the window. It looks like 3 dots connected by a line. This opens a web page in your browser that anyone on your local network can access, even from a phone or tablet. That web page lists all the messages from ProPresenter that have Allow Web Notifications enabled. A user can select one, fill in any token fields, then hit Send to send a request. The operator running ProPresenter will see a notification pop up and can either approve or dismiss it with a single click. Once approved, that message appears on your audience output just like any other and can be cleared the same way. It's a great way to give your team the ability to communicate or push messages without giving them full control of the presentation. You can also automate messages using message actions. Just open the action palette and drag a message action onto a slide or macro. Then select which message you want to trigger when that slide is clicked, and even update any token fields if needed. You can add multiple message actions to a single slide, which is perfect for moments like showing a countdown, alert, or service reminder right when that slide appears. So to wrap up, messages give you a flexible, dynamic way to display real-time text on top of your presentations. They're ideal for live updates, audience communication, and timed cues, all without disrupting your slides. Once you've got your themes and tokens set up, you'll wonder how you ever ran a live show without them. For more tips on using themes, timers, and network features inside ProPresenter, check out the other videos in this training series. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.